It is not possible to provide an exhaustive list of the top 100 packages in Python from the initial versions to the present day, as the popularity and usage of packages have changed over time. However, I can give you a list of some widely used and influential packages that have had a significant impact on the Python ecosystem. Please note that this list is subjective and may not include all packages that others might consider important. Here are some notable packages. 1. NumPy, numerical computing library. 2. Pandas, data manipulation and analysis. 3. Matplotlib, plotting and visualization.